Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the ultimate debt payoff calculator, a comprehensive automated spreadsheet designed to help you track, manage, and pay off all your debts efficiently. You can organize your debts, set up payoff strategies, monitor progress, and see analytics all in one place. Before we get started, I want to mention that some tabs in this calculator are protected. This is intentional. It keeps all formulas, summaries, and automated calculations running smoothly. If you try to edit a protected cell, you'll see a pop-up message. You can check the box and click OK to make changes, or press Cancel to leave everything as is. These protections make sure the calculator stays accurate, so you can focus on paying off your debts without worrying about breaking anything. Now let's move over to the Setup tab. Start by customizing your calculator to fit your needs. Choose your currency from the drop-down, enable dark mode if you prefer, and set your start date. If you plan to pay extra each month, enter the extra monthly amount here. It will be applied automatically to your debt payoff plan. Below, you can begin listing up to 40 debts in the table. Start by entering the debt name, balance, interest rate, and monthly payment for each debt. All data you enter here will automatically flow through the entire spreadsheet, powering dashboards, calculators, and payoff plans for an accurate and fully automated experience. Now let's move on to the Debt Calculator tab. Here, you simply choose your preferred payoff method, whether it's the Snowball, Avalanche, or a custom approach. Once you select the method, it will be applied automatically across the entire calculator, and all calculations will adjust accordingly. Every debt listed in your setup will have its payment timelines calculated automatically, taking into account the start date you selected and any extra monthly payment you've added. This means you don't have to worry about manually adjusting schedules. The calculator handles all the calculations for you, ensuring that your debt payoff plan is accurate and realistic. Additionally, each debt comes with its own auto-generated overview, showing key details, as well as a progress chart to visualize how your payments are reducing your balances over time. All the data you entered in the Setup tab flows seamlessly into this tab, so your calculator remains fully automated and up to date. You'll be able to see exactly how each debt will be paid off, track your progress, and make adjustments if needed. Next, let's move over to the Dashboard tab. This tab is fully automated and designed to give you a complete view of your entire debt situation. Here, you'll see all the key metrics that matter most, including your total debt, total monthly payment, and the average interest rate across all your debts. You'll also get a clear look at your highest and lowest debts, helping you quickly identify which balances need the most attention. The dashboard includes detailed charts and breakdowns of your debt balances, so you can easily visualize where your money is going and track your progress over time. Additionally, there's a special overview of debts due next year, giving you insight into what payments are coming up and allowing you to plan ahead. All the information in this tab is automatically pulled from your Setup and Debt Calculator tabs. So as you update your debts, payments, or payoff strategy, the dashboard updates in real time. This makes it easy to stay organized, monitor your progress, and make informed decisions to accelerate your debt payoff journey. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the Debt Payoff Calculator spreadsheet. If you have any questions, need extra guidance, or want tips on using the spreadsheet more effectively, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.